Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern, minimalist, contemporary home with a large deck and lush garden. The home features a dark gray metal exterior with large windows showcasing a light-filled interior. The interior spaces, including a kitchen, dining area, and living room, are visible through the glass, bathed in a warm, inviting light. Dark wood flooring and furniture are contrasted against the bright interior spaces. The deck extends the living space outdoors, with a wooden floor and a variety of plants surrounding it. The plants include various textures, types, and colors. Orangey-yellow flowers and other green vegetation adorn the landscape, filling the space around the home. A modern, minimalist house with a tranquil garden. Dark gray concrete exterior walls meet with a large, covered wooden deck and glass walls that open to a lush, zen-inspired garden. The garden includes various plants, a koi pond with fountains, and a patio area with a lounge chair. The interior of the house is visible through the glass walls, with warm, peachy orange tones in the living areas. The lighting in the house and garden creates a cozy atmosphere. High quality, hyperrealistic rendering. A modern, contemporary home nestled within a lush, tropical garden. Hyperrealistic rendering of a two-story structure with a steel-framed, wood-paneled roof and concrete walls. Large glass sliding doors and windows frame views of a well-designed interior, blending indoor and outdoor spaces seamlessly. The interior space includes a bedroom with a bed, a kitchen with modern appliances, and dining area. The design elements are warm and earthy tones of wood, concrete, and dark metal. The garden is brimming with lush greenery, diverse tropical plants, and various types of foliage, creating a vibrant, natural environment. A modern, contemporary, and sustainable garden retreat. A small, stylish, and well-lit backyard cabin with a large deck, featuring sliding glass doors providing views into lush, green surroundings. The cabin is dark gray/charcoal gray with wooden accents, showcasing a minimalist design. A living wall of vibrant plants completely covers a section of the building, adding to the nature theme. The exterior flooring is a light, warm brown wood. The deck extends off the cabin and is framed by various plants in terracotta and dark gray planters. The ground is covered with various plant species and dark gray pebbles, with round stepping stones. A modern, multi-level home with a lush green rooftop garden and a large glass wall living area. The exterior is dark charcoal gray wood and concrete, contrasting with the warm golden tones of the interior wood paneling and the vibrant greenery. Solar panels are visible on the roof. The building is situated in a leafy setting with surrounding trees. The home features extensive green walls, planters, and hanging plants cascading down the exterior, giving a strong impression of sustainable design and urban gardening. The large sliding glass doors provide a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. The interior features a living area with a fireplace, comfortable seating, and an open-plan layout. A modern, open-plan outdoor living space, featuring a light wood deck extending from a contemporary house. The house has a dark gray concrete facade and a dark gray metal roof overhang. The deck has a wooden slatted floor and a built-in wooden staircase leading up from the grass area. Outdoor furniture, including a light beige sectional sofa with dark brown woven wicker armchairs and a stool, is arranged on the deck, providing a comfortable seating area. Large, lush foliage in various shades of green and dark green is placed around the deck, alongside the house, and provides a backdrop of tropical greenery to the scene. The interior of the house is visible through large windows, revealing a contemporary kitchen with light-colored cabinets and an open layout. A curved, modern tiny home nestled within a lush forest. Hyperrealistic rendering. The exterior is dark gray metal with a rooftop garden of cascading greenery. Inside, warm wood accents highlight the kitchen/living area with built-in shelving and a bed visible through large glass sliding doors. Golden yellow lighting emphasizes the interior spaces and architectural details. The forest backdrop is dense, rich green, and subtly illuminated, creating a serene and peaceful atmosphere. The scene features various plants and shrubs, including herbs and larger foliage, surrounding the structure and leading to a wooden deck area. A modern, light-filled, wooden home with a spacious deck overlooking a meticulously landscaped garden. The home features dark gray metal roofing, light wood siding, and large sliding glass doors that open to a deck. The interior, partially visible through the glass, is warm and inviting with a kitchen and living space. The deck is made of stained wood planks laid out flat and has the impression of a morning mist outside. The landscaping includes various shades of brown, green, and yellow/orange flowers and shrubs, and rocks of varying sizes carefully placed. Gravel pathways are winding through the design. A modern, dark-toned home nestled within a lush forest. The house features a dark gray/black exterior with large windows that let in warm, golden light. The roof has a living green roof, and the walls are a mix of dark wood and gray/black stone. The home is surrounded by a meticulously landscaped garden with various green foliage, vibrant orange and yellow flowers, and potted plants. The garden flows around the outside of the home, with stepping stones leading to the entrance. The trees and foliage are deep greens and browns, with hints of orange and yellow from the flowers. A modern, minimalist, contemporary home with a large glass-fronted patio area overlooking a valley at sunset. Hyperrealistic rendering. The home is dark gray metal with light wood beams and accents. Large sliding glass doors open onto a light gray wooden deck. Comfortable, light gray outdoor sectional seating and two small, black coffee tables. A fire pit table with flickering orange/yellow flames is situated on the middle table. The deck is surrounded by a lush field of purple lavender bushes. The color palette is a mix of warm sunset hues, orange, peach, pink, deep grays, and the rich purple of the lavender. A charming, wooden cabin nestled in a lush, mountainous setting. Hyperrealistic rendering of a sun-drenched, multicolored flower garden surrounding a modern, light brown wooden cabin. The cabin features a dark gray/charcoal shingle roof, a light brown wood exterior, and large, dark windows with black frames. Solar panels are visible on the roof. The garden is overflowing with vibrant orange marigolds and a mix of vibrant blue flowers like forget-me-nots or similar varieties. A wooden deck extends from the cabin, providing a spot for outdoor relaxation and hosting a couple of orange and terracotta-colored lounge chairs. A modern, minimalist, container home with a large, glass-fronted living space. Warm, inviting, golden yellow interior visible through the expansive windows. The exterior features a dark gray metal frame and cedar wood cladding. Abundant landscaping surrounds the home, with various colorful plants and flowers in low, structured planters, creating a vibrant and detailed garden that spills out from the structure. The colors are rich in reds, oranges, and yellows, complemented by the deep greens of the foliage. A muted, slightly overcast sky provides a backdrop, with dappled light filtering through surrounding trees.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.